I'm here outside cleaning this TOREAD pool filter again. You can see the brand, and the surprising thing, even after a year, usually with not a lot of pressure, it's still possible to clean it nicely. You can see the effect here. That's a good sign that the performance is still okay after a year. Of course, I can feel the difference. It's not exactly same thing as before, but even after only cleaning once a month, the pressure does never exceed the limit. So I could still use it, but I'm planning to buy a new one. I think about using it for a year is perfect for this filter. I mean, I've been using it a lot. Pool size is 14,000 gallon. And I have a 1.65 horsepower pump, and it has been running usually around 8 hours per day. So I think it has done a really good job. Of course, you can see some tear and wear here, but it does still a great job. Pool is absolutely clean, in fantastic condition, super nice and clear, absolutely nothing to complain. And so I've put the filter back in place and turning on the system. Okay, water shooting into the filter now. I can hear that. No leak, that's good. So let's check the pressure. And I can see pressure is down nicely again. And so I'm back here at the pool, and you can see the Zodiac pool cleaner running really nicely, cleaning everything. So it's a good combination, works perfectly together, absolutely no problem. So after this experience from last year, I'm definitely buy it again. There's no doubt about that. Yeah, that's what I wanted to share with you. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video, and thanks for watching.